Good morning, Internet. Welcome to another adventure today with jagertroop. How are you doing today, sir?
Doing very well.
And Mr. GhostNinja, welcome back. So you know what we're doing today?
Something painful again?
We're going to the vegan street fair. Just kidding. We got another food challenge for you. Earlier in the week we talked and you said you like ramen.
Yeah.
Are you ready to eat 11 pounds of ramen?
What? I don't think I've ever eaten 11 pounds of any food. Ramen goes in your stomach and it goes...
And for all you club lovers, this is for you.
That's awesome.
Let me see if I can get through the day without riding any wheelies. So for those of you that like the wheelies, sorry. 11 pounds of ramen in 20 minutes. That's what this challenge is. You think he's gonna do it? The last time he did a food challenge at Watson's, I think that burger was like 5.5 pounds, and he didn't get through that. So I don't know if I have a ton of faith in him on this one. It's 11 pounds and it's noodles. But if he eats it super, super fast, you never know. I'm gonna play a game myself. Let's see how long I can avoid putting my feet to the pavement. This is actually gonna be difficult. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. I forgot. Okay, I lost. I'm in love with this car. Oh, you got the Mountain Dew. That's a fine selection you got there, sir. Absolutely. And the key tag. What's up, buddy? Every time I come here, these are facing a different direction. Anyway, Bob, what's up, dude? What do we got? Oops.
Oh man, you're killing them.
Oh, dude, we have stuff. Certified flight instructor. Are you kidding me? Mitch, let's go flying. Oh. We got $1.
$1?
Everybody remembers this video.
That was from the Big Boy video, I think, where we went on the flagpole and Z almost died.
This is gonna go.
Dude, that's a good prize right there.
Yeah.
Tossing a couple stickers to the cause. Here you go, Babalo. Mitch, I'm counting on you. Going flying, dude. Let's make a video. jagertroop, what can I interest you in?
Thinking lemonade.
Gotta get the dude. Everybody knew I'd get it. I do recommend that you stay away from the bacon. Oh, I got one of those last time. It was so good.
I don't feel like 20 pounds of ramen.
So let's go. We run into our buddy, Scotty. How are you today, sir? Would you like to come along?
I would.
We're gonna go eat ramen. Did you already eat?
I have not.
What's up, dude?
I'm such a huge fan, dude.
Really?
Yeah.
Any suggestions for the channel? What would you like to see that I'm not doing?
You're doing it pretty well.
I love that answer. Best answer ever. Zach, give me a hug. Thanks for watching, buddy.
Yeah.
I gotta get around this car. Lots of bikes. Get out of my way, Prius. So the place we're going to, it's called Aoki's. It's a popular ramen place that has a challenge. And that challenge is 11 pounds of ramen. It's not just ramen noodles either. They got some meat to it and they got some vegetables, a couple other fixings, I'm sure. But yeah, I mean, it sounds impossible. It's 11 pounds of ramen to be eaten within 20 minutes. I do not have a lot of faith in him, but I'm excited to see him do it. I am. And you should be too. He might throw up. But who knows? Maybe he'll prove us wrong, dude. Maybe this dude will eat 11 pounds of ramen and then ask for another 11 pounds. I don't know. We'll see. And I'm going to go through the rules. You have 20 minutes to eat 11 pounds of ramen. It's going to cost $30. If you complete the challenge, you get a t-shirt, you get your photo on the wall of fame, and the meal is free. Anyway, that's the rules, that's the place, and that's where we're going. Stick around. I said it before, man, those ambulance drivers, they don't make a lot of money. Show them a little support, man. They're out here saving lives for peanuts. All right, GhostNinja, white line. I'm gonna win. I feel it in my bones. And for the record, I'll probably buy everybody lunch, even though I won. Lied right to your face. I'm sorry. Come sail away, come sail away, come sail away with me. Come sail away, come sail away, come sail. Splitsville. You know what I wish there was more of? Burger Kings. of my way, Prius. Into a Martian. Whoa! Look, somebody keyed the shit out of that car. Always good hanging out with GhostNinja. Uh-oh. Trouble. Looks like that dude's trunk's open. The hell is this place? I see it. Are you ready to eat 11 pounds of ramen?
I'm ready.
Ha! Hope so. Eat until you finish, or eat until you puke.
Eat until I throw. Those are the only options, huh? Are you?
Feels really good. That helps.
One bowl, people. One bowl left.
Oh my god.
Time-wise, a little further than halfway. How do you feel?
Martin. No.
She's over here.
You know, I would say like on the last one, I was like, man, I almost did it, right? I almost made it. I can't say that about this. No, no! That hurts.
The ramen challenge. What happened?
Another F.
Not only did he give you an extra 10 minutes, but he also offered you $100 to complete this mission.
Couldn't do it.
Do you think you made it halfway?
I think so.
I mean, you went into this with all the confidence in the world, and it broke my heart to see you fail. Scott, what'd you think?
I'm coming back for the fried rice.
The fried rice was ridiculous here. I'll be back, for sure. It wasn't even on the menu, dude. It might have been some of the best beef fried rice I ever had. What about you, jagertroop? What'd you get?
I got the barbecued pork and it was excellent.
I definitely recommend this place. The staff is awesome. The food was great. Just a great place to get together with your buddies and have some food. And with that, I'm going to go ahead and end this video. If you like this video, hit that like button. If you haven't yet, subscribe. Make sure you hit the notification bell so you're aware of when I do upload a video. Be part of that notification squad. Make sure you check out GhostNinja's channel. Get his version of today's events. It was a good time riding around with Jagertroop, my man. Scott, I'm glad you joined us, man. Good to have you along for sure. I hope we cross paths again. I'm sure we will. Make sure you check out the channel sponsors, Metric Method, Law Offices of Henry Haddad, and Voss Helmets. Check out SuburbanDelinquent.com. Get all the latest and greatest. I'm always adding new stuff there. You also find out how to get the Suburban Delinquent exhaust pipe. Definitely want to say thank you to all the Patreons, man. You guys mean the world to me. Really appreciate the support. And I'll catch you guys later. Cue the bikini girl.